Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Sharon.
Today I wanna show you guys how I do my daily makeup tutorial. Hope you enjoy watching as I take you through all the steps on how I do my daily makeup. First of all, we're gonna go in with my Bokwa lip moisturizer just to moisturize my lips. Then I'm gonna take my spoolie to brush my eyebrows. Then we're gonna go with my MAC eye pencil to shape my eyebrows. I'll go in with my Dimacol. I use it as a concealer. I use my eye primer to prime around my eye. Then we just go in with our concealer. I use this Sasha powder to top up the concealer. After we're done with the eyes, we're going to prime our face. For my eyes, I use a liquid eyeliner. Then I'll go in with the mascara on my eyelashes. After that, I'll go in with my foundation. I use the Revlon Color Stay foundation in the shade Caramel, and I also mix it with the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 330. I mix both of them to get my shade. So let's blend our foundation. Then I'm gonna use my Demarco concealer and just conceal under my eyes, my chins, and on my forehead. After that, we're gonna go in with our Sasha powder. Then we'll take our brush and brush off the excess powder. Then we're gonna put on some eyeshadow. Then we're going to finish up with our spray. So let's do our lips now. I'm gonna start with my red lip liner. Then we're going to finish up with the matte liquid lippy. I'm trying to make an ombre lippy, so I have to go in with a nude lippy. Guys, I'm done with my daily makeup routine and hope you have enjoyed watching. And if you have not subscribed, please do so, and let's meet on my next video. Thank you so much.